15. A lesson. Picture reading. Look at the following pictures. What are they? Think and tell your teacher the same. Naresh, Sarvani. Bread and butter. A stick. Naresh is kicking a dog. Dog is howling. Grammatical awareness. Punctuation.
Punctuation means the right use of putting in full stops, period, comma, semicolon, colon, note of interrogation, note of exclamation, and capital letters.
1. Every sentence begins with a capital letter. 2. Every sentence ends with a full stop. 3. The words I and God begin with a capital letter. 4. The names of cities, people, countries, streets, buildings, rivers, and mountains always begin with a capital letter. 5. People's titles Mr., Mrs., Miss, Doctor begin with a capital letter. 6. The names of the days of the week and the months of the year always begin with a capital letter.
Have a look. Punctuation mark.
Full stop, comma, colon, semicolon, exclamation mark, question mark, quotation marks. Examples. New Delhi is the capital of India. I always work hard. God is great. Gopal and Sita visited my house. I live in Bengaluru. Mr. Sharma lives in Gandhinagar, Hyderabad. December, January and February are the 3 winter months. Dr. Gupta is an eye specialist. Vijayawada is located on the banks of river Krishna. The Himalayas are the natural boundaries of our country. Sunday is the first weekday. A lesson. Reading. Naresh was 8 years old. He lived in Vijayawada. Naresh was known for his naughty deeds. People used to scold him for his indecent behavior, but nothing brought change in him. One day, he was going to his school. He was passing by a house. Mrs. Sarvani, who was the tenant of that house, was standing by the window side. She was looking out of her window. There was a boy at the other side of the street. He was none other than the naughty Naresh. The boy took some bread and butter out of his bag and began eating it. He came across a street dog. It was crossing the road. Naughty Naresh saw the dog. He wanted to tease the dog. He wanted to make fun of it. It was a hungry, thin dog. The boy called out to the dog, "Come here, good dog. I will give you a loaf of bread." As the dog was hungry, it ran to the boy. But he did not give it any bread and butter. He kicked the dog. The dog was hurt. It started howling and ran away. Naresh patted himself for his brave deed and laughed at the dog. Mrs. Sarvani, who was standing by the window side, saw this. She came out of her house and called Naresh, "Come in, I will give you a rupee." Naresh felt happy at this unexpected offer. He said, "Yes, auntie." He went in along with her. "Come near," she said. But Mrs. Sarvani did not give him any money. She took out a stick and hit him. The boy was shocked at this uninvited gesture. He cried and said, "Why did you hit me? I did not ask you for any money. You called me." Mrs. Sarvani said, "Yes, the dog did not ask you for any bread and butter either, but you called and kicked it." Naughty Naresh realized his mistake. Say the right way. Listening and speaking. A. This section is aimed at improving the students' oral communication. Encourage the student to take up the role play. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, child. What's the matter?
Sir, may I leave for home now?
Why?
My father told me to come home. I just got a message.
Anything serious?
No, sir, nothing. My father wants to take me out.
Okay, you can go.
Thank you, sir. Listening and speaking. Stress the right way.
B. This section is aimed at improving the student's pronunciation. Stress the capital letters in the word.
Naughty. Indecent. Behavior. Tenant. Hungry. Window. Laughed. Gesture. Realize. Glossary. Spell and tell. C. Know the meanings of words. Naughty. Bad, wrong, disobedient behavior. Indecent. Not decent. Tenant. Who stays in a house on rent. Gesture. Movements of the head or hand. Realize. Understanding, knowing something. Write the right way. Comprehension. 1. Answer the following questions. 1. How old was Naresh? Answer. Naresh was 8 years old. 2. Where did he live? Answer. He lived in Vijayawada. 3. For what was he well known? Answer. Naresh was well known for his naughty deeds. 4. Who were the two persons in the story? Answer. The two persons in the story were Mrs. Sarvani and the naughty boy Naresh. 5. Where was he going? Answer. He was going to school. 6. Why did he call the dog? Answer. He called the dog because he wanted to tease it and to make fun of it. 7. What did he do to the dog? Answer. He kicked the dog. 8. Who was observing all this? Why did she call the boy? Answer. Mrs. Sarvani was observing all this. She called Naresh to teach him a lesson. 9. What did she do to him? Answer. She took out a stick and hit him. 10. Did he realize his mistake? Answer. Yes, he realized his mistake. comprehension. 2. Fair pair. Select the right word for the pair.
Oh no, do it again.
Vocabulary. 3. Fair pair. Select the right word for the pair. Grammar. 4. Reread the following sentences using punctuation marks wherever necessary. What am I?